If you were to look at this filter and tell yourself it looks like dirt and sand would just go right through it, you would be correct. I'm going to go ahead and take apart my buddy's air breather and check it out now that I've finished up some work on his bike. It's a different style than the standard one that came with my bike, but it's still a Bofeng carburetor. But I just have concerns the way all the dirt air comes in through here, but it does look like it's got a good seal there, as opposed to the ones I'm used to seeing, which just breathe in from the bottom. But it seems like they get a lot of dirt through here too, which is why I've actually got a two-stage filter on my bike. I got this off Amazon, and there's another filter inside here, the stock filter. Oh, that's pretty nasty. Oh yeah. So I'm going to come to the conclusion that this cover right here isn't any better than the black one, perhaps even worse, although there are a lot of variables to be taken into account here. I'm just going to use some carbon throttle body and gently spray all that off of there while trying not to really get a lot into the port. Go ahead and work the choke. It's an oil bath filter. I'll blow it out with air and soak it with oil again. Alright, these pieces were actually so bad I ended up taking them outside and washing them off a hose bib. So the easiest way to clean out this filter is just with an air hose. You'll want to take it the side where all the dirt is impacted like this, and turn it around and slowly work it all the way through and getting the dirt off. You can see it on my finger right here. It's blowing right on out of there. Now if you were to look at this filter and tell yourself it looks like dirt and sand would just go right through it, you would be correct, because you're not really supposed to put this in dry. It is an oil air filter, and I've seen people use WD or just some other stuff to spray it with to make dirt stick to it. In this case, I have some stuff that's actually made for it, and it's easy to apply. Just a quick squirt on both sides. Doesn't take a whole lot. Now I'm putting this back together. This side right here will face toward the carburetor. The smaller side with the solid seam, it should actually lock around the carburetor. We'll go ahead and put it together now and take it for a test drive. Luckily, I didn't feel any hesitation, so I don't believe he really has any clogged jets or nothing, so I'm not going to tear into the carburetor. I just want to more or less doing this for preventive maintenance to keep him from having issues later on down the line. Go ahead and try to tighten these down together evenly so you get a good seal on the carburetor. Don't tighten them up so much that they strip. And remember, it's just plastic to metal. Alright, it ran good. Even seemed a little more responsive at first. That air filter was probably clogged up too, besides the dirt covering the face of the carburetor. Well, good for now, y'all.